Welcome to the Gonzo. Look, I am Jose. Shelly is just getting up and getting ready. I am today going to just clean my man cave because it needs it. When you look at it, it doesn't look too bad, but I need to get a hold of it early because if I don't, it gets carried away. So I just did laundry. I'm good there. And I'm just going to clean up a little bit.
In the heart of freedom, we rise up strong, red for the passion. It's where we belong, white for the truth. It's a beacon of light, blue for the calm. Our spirits take flight, together we stand, united and true. These colors won't fade, forever in view. So lift up your hands, let your voices ring. In the land of the brave, together we sing. With red, white and blue, we'll shine ever bright. In unity and strength, we'll win every fight. When the storm clouds gather, we won't back down. With the stripes and the stars, we wear our crown. From the mountains to valleys, we sing our song. We sing in love song. In the face of our challenge, we're where we belong. Generation to generation, we'll carry the flame. Red, white and blue, we are one and the same. So lift up your hands, let your voices ring. In the land of the brave, together we sing. With red, white and blue, we'll shine ever bright. In unity and strength, we'll win every fight. For the love of our country, we'll stand and we'll fight. Red, white and blue, forever in life. In the heart of a land where the stars shine bright, the rivers run deep and the hills hold the night. A promise of hope wrapped in colors so true. The spirit stands strong in red, white and blue. With every heartbeat, we'll carry the tune. Together we'll rise like the sun in June. Red, white and blue, we stand together strong. The colors of courage, where we all belong. Each story we tell, woven into our hearts. The song of our freedom, it never departs. From the cities to fields, where the children all play, flag waves proudly. It's a brand new day. The laughter of freedom rings out in the air. A melody sweet for the brave and the fair.
Alright, there you have it. Clean my room, it's fresh. I just got to spray a little bit. Forgot to do that, actually. Alright, I just Febrezed the air so it's feeling nice and fresh in here. So that's cool. I needed to do that after our cancellation or canceled trip to North Carolina. I got everything done. And yeah, everything's good. These are the cubes I'm currently using. Matter of fact, I'm going to bring, when I go to the tournament tomorrow, I'm going to bring 2 megamixes because I probably won't get done because it's only 3.5, they only give you 3.5 minutes to do it. And I probably won't finish it, so I'm going to bring 2 so I can have one already solved so I can give them instead of someone trying to solve mine. It was a little embarrassing. I was like, well, let me solve it. I was taking too long to they grabbed it and solved it for me. So I'm going to grab 2 and not practice with it, but just keep it there. So when I get a DNF, I can just give them the gang one. So this is the Die Gang one, which is nice. This is a nice one. I think I might like this one more than the gang one, actually. I didn't like it at first, but I like it. So, and then, you know, my cubes here, if I can practice. I was practicing my FTO. Check out the video I did yesterday. I got the hexagon and the 2 triples. And after that, you know, then you put it to where you can use the U and my 2. But I just don't know how to do it without messing up the white, so I gotta practice some more. And I do have another training coaching session on Sunday. So, alright. So that's all I have. So if you have anything, give me a comment down below and I'll try to answer it as soon as I can. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
And our out of town day, you looked at me and proudly said, "You made it. Let's get on and watch the